Couple of odd Amazon stories here for you. First of all, Amazon apparently had job listings live and public, which called for intelligence analysts who would assess, quote, labor organizing threats, and then contribute to filings like restraining orders. So one way to phrase this would be Amazon was apparently hiring union busters. The job posts have subsequently been removed, but quoting Gizmodo, that Amazon is broadcasting quite openly its intent to potentially seek restraining orders against groups critical of its business practices is shocking, but not necessarily surprising. Not long after purchasing Whole Foods, it successfully fought for a restraining order against Direct Action Everywhere to keep the group from protesting within one of the stores in Berkeley, California. Still, as a practice, restraining entire groups from engaging in protests appears to be quite rare and a brazen corporate assault on the constitutional right to free assembly. But the spirit of democracy isn't something that can be shipped inside a cardboard box, so it largely isn't the concern of Amazon, which is perhaps why the job description also hints at developing opposition research on politicians that don't want to pay out the nose in subsidies just to get a warehouse or data center, end quote. And then get this. Amazon drivers have lately taken to hanging their smartphones from trees. Why? Well, it seems to be all in the aid of getting more work. Quote, a strange phenomenon has emerged near Amazon delivery stations and Whole Foods stores in the Chicago suburbs. Smartphones dangling from trees. Contract delivery drivers are putting them there to get a jump on rivals seeking orders, according to people familiar with the matter. Someone places several devices in a tree located close to the station where deliveries originate. Drivers in on the plot then sync their own phones with the ones in the tree and wait nearby for an order pickup. The reason for the odd placement, according to experts and people with direct knowledge of Amazon's operations, is to take advantage of the handset's proximity to the station combined with software that constantly monitors Amazon's dispatch network to get a split-second jump on competing drivers. An Uber-like app called Amazon Flex lets drivers make deliveries in their own cars. For many with other jobs, it's a way to earn extra money in their spare time. But with joblessness rising and unemployment payments shrinking, competition for such work has stiffened, and more people rely on it as their primary income source. Adding to the pressure, fewer people are using ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft, so more drivers have to deliver online shopping orders to make money. As a result, some Whole Foods locations have come to resemble parking lots at Home Depot, where day laborers have long congregated to pick up home repair gigs. Unlike hourly employees who get paid even when work is slow, gig workers only get paid by the job. So securing a route through the smartphone app is the key first step to making money. Most flex routes last from 2 to 4 hours and can be scheduled in advance. That system can be gamed as well. Drivers download apps on their smartphones that constantly monitor the Amazon Flex site and automatically take any routes that become available, as CNBC reported in February. Bloomberg reported similar use of apps by Instacart shoppers earlier this month, end quote.